Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Vogue in Loire Blue. This is a 4.4 V8. It's previously had 2 owners and is next due for a service in November 21. You have 21-inch alloys, a powered tailgate, a lot of room there in the boot for personal items including golf clubs and pushchairs, but you can also put the seats down if you need more room. And you can close it using that button or the one on your key. And going into the front of the vehicle, you have keyless entry, so if I lock the car, I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key is nearby. Deployable side steps, making it easier to get in and out of the car, and aluminium tread plates. A gorgeous leather interior, sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice on a sunny day like today. You can open it for some fresh air, and you can also pull your blind across if you wish. That all depends on your own preference. Cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Different driving modes including grass, gravel and snow, sand, mud ruts and rock crawl, or you can push it back down for auto. Different suspension, so you can have higher for off-roading, in the middle for just general driving, or lower to make it easier to get in and out of the car. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer, and they are also massage, which is a real luxury to have. You also have sat-nav, which is ideal if you're ever in an area you're not familiar with. You have the 2D and 3D option. Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone and make calls on the go. 360-degree surround camera, along with a normal rear view camera, which makes parking and reversing so much easier, especially in a bigger vehicle. You also have ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks effective especially in the dark, and you can adjust the brightness. Controls on your wheel, including cruise control and a speed limiter, and blind spot monitor, all handy when driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, memory seats, which is handy if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. This car's done 30,866 miles. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Range Rover Vogue. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.